Now uqopha umlando ngokuba ke owesifazane oqala ke kulokuzwe laseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi kasungule irobot lakhe nelikhuluma zonke ke izilimo zezwe laseNingizimu Afrika kanti ke uthi inhloso yalo ukuthi ke lilekeleleke ezimfundo ukuthi ke liziphucule lizibeke ke ezingeni ke eliphezulu kulokhu ke ezikulona kanti ke uthi ke amaphaphu phansi kulabo ke abakholwa ukuthi ke leli robot lizoqeda ke imisebenzi uthi ke inhloso yalo ukuthi ke lizolekelela liphinde futhi ke lilekelele nabo ke othisha abakhona kuloke izwe laseNingizimu Afrika lona ke usomabhizinisi okuyena ke umsunguli waleko leli robot okuyena unkosazane uThando Gumede oqhamuke nalo ke leli robot esinalo kuloke nje ohlelo lethu angikubingelele mbukeli igama lami nguSimangeli Sibongo sami ngwakachiro ubukela uhlelo iKZN News Talk angigqugquzele ngibukele iKZN News Talk iba ingxenye yaloke lolu hlelo kusukela kulesi sigaba sizifinyelele konaka amaphethelo alo lolu hlelo esikuthulela lona ohlukile ke namhlanje njengoba sinaye uIris kulona ke ohlelo lethu Thando kwintokozo enkulu ukuthi sibe nawo ohlelweni lethu sikubukele.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi kakhona isimemo sokuthi ngibe ingxenye yohlelo lakho kungijabulise kakhulu.
Kwintokozo enkulu siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi usihloniphe uze. Siyabona la Thando ukuthi usu all over na ku social media akekho umuntu ongakhulumi ngoIris. Ubani uIris?
Iris irobot elenziwe uThando no-BSG and Technologies elizolekelela ezikoleni kakhulu noma kwi-Department of Education kakhulu. So lenzani uIris wazi zonke izifundo sukela grade R kuya kwi-university level. Kungagcini lapho mengithi zonke ngifaka khona history, accounting, akusiyo nje eze-science kuphela. So kungagcini lapho wazi zonke izilimi zase-South Africa. Njengoba siphinde simenywe ngaphandle ke manje sesimfake nezilimi zangaphandle lapha asebenza khona already sino Iris abasebenza eIndia so more than 300 weyikole already osebenza khona so umsebenzi wakhe akazange because abanye bayathukathuka ukuthi but othisha bayakwenza nje lo umsebenzi so kuzokwenza la kanjani so mesimenzo Iris simenze saba nengqondo kathisha kuqala because mina bengiqale ngaba uthisha ngingakawuthola umsebenzi wami before ngiqala iBSG and Technologies so ukufundisa kwami esikole sami ekufundisa kuso sokugcina bekuba ukuthi sinabantwana aba more than 200 kahle more than 208 okuyinkinga ke manje ukuthi sekumele ufundise labantwana during the day okusho ukuthi futhi ngisho ntambama sengiyomaka ama weekend ngiyamaka and okusho akumaki kuphela ama class work ama homework ama test ama assignment ama exam okugcina sekuba ukuthi wena usebenza esikoleni uphinde usebenza nasekhaya mina ngingashadanga at the time kusho ukuthi kangakanani kumuntu onomndeni wakhe shuthi akasitholi ugcina sangasasitholi isikhathi sokuthi abe nomndeni wakhe so Iris uyakwazi futhi ukuthi uma isikole nje sesine Iris lab siyakwazi ukuthi abantwana mebabhalile abamakele within the second ne okusho ukuthi manje othi seba isikhathi esiningi nemndeni yabo ungagcini lapho uyalekelele kutheni bese kubhalwe iclass work inama question awu 5 unumber 3 abantwana abaningi balokubamusha uyakwazi ukuanalyze ukuthi umntwana njengoba usho number 3 number 1 bekumele umbhale kanje uready ukuqala phansi uphinde ubhale ne bese yabuka ukuthi okay bangakhe balokho bephinda number 3 bese akwazi ukucommunicate nothisha ngathi kunenkinga ku number 3 abantwana bayawu20 eclassini lakho bawuphinde kaningi mhlambe ungazama ukugxila kuso nothisha ukuze engayiqageleli ukuthi mayenze revision sekumele focus entweni ethini seyazi ukuthi okay nazi izinto okumele ngicele kuzo abantwana bami basele kuzo ongaphezulu kwalokho siyazi othisha bayabantu nabo negaza ngithi bayakhathala okusho ukuthi futhi uthisha uthotha akafundisi isifundo esisodwa ufundisa mhlawumbe ifundo ezi2 3 kuyaphezulu okugcina sengabi lula ukuthi njalo akukhona abantwana abasele because abantwana badaleke ngendlela engafani khona othi umchazela shesha ezwe khona odinga umchazele noma ka10 ukuze aqala bambe leyo nto umfundisa yona so la uthisha esefundisini uIris yakwazi ukugcizelela ukuthi njengoba uthi understandanga la ngakhona because uyenza ama homework uyenza ama assignments uyenza ama revision so even abantwana ba grade R abenza ama poem so indlela ahlakaniphe ngakhona even ufuna ibusiness idea uyakwazi ukukulekelela akagcini nje lapho uyakwazi ukuthi engage nabantwana nje abaningi umntwana athi mina ngijabule ngisho ukuthi ngiyaphuma so uyakwazi kuba umzali indlela trainwe ngayo uyakwazi kuba umzali and ngiyakusho nesiziqhenye ukuthi irobot lokuqala elenziwe la eSouth Africa not just omunye umuntu singathi owesilisa noma singayenzi ngokwe gender but sizoyenziwe umuntu onsundu owesimama la eSouth Africa
nokuyinto efanele ishayile ihlombe kakhulu njengoba siphuma kuyona inyanga yabantu besifazane inyanga kaAugust but ngiyafuna ukubheka la Thando ukuthi njengezwe laseNingizimu Afrika do you think sesifikile esigabeni sokuthi singakwazi ukusebenzisa ukuxhaqaxa I know ukuthi already on the 4th industrial revolution but do you think as a country sesifikile lapho ukuthi sikwazi ukuqonda ukusebenza kwama robot
ngiyathola ukuthi kuthiwa sikwi fourth industrial revolution but ngokwami umuthi uyacheck asikadluli kwi-third kahle uma uzobheka i-country yethu kudlula nje igama lithi fourth sekwi fifth but uma sekukhulunywa nge-fourth kumele ngabe ubuxhakaxhaka already sebuningi i-technology already ithatha over abantu okusho ukuthi kumele ngabe thina asisekho kwi-level la sisathukuswa khona ukuthi u-Iris lawo uqala uzofika kumele ngabe sesithi mesihlangana nawo ngisho endleleni amanye ahamba uthi oh hi unjani udlule ngoba sekuyinto okumele ngabe isikhathi sawo sangampela and ukuthi siyasaba noma sisabi unfortunately technology ukukhula kwayo ayeza enazoba maningi thina okwethu ningamanje abangafuni vele ukufunda ukuthi basebenzisana nabo bazoba nenkinga
because ayeza vele whether you like it or not
ayeza noma uthando elenzile irobot noma ngalenzanga kodwa for a fact ukuthi i-technology yakhula ayeza so okwethu as abantu base South Africa ukuthi sifunde ukusebenzisana nawo bese emva kalokho uma ufunda ukusebenzisana nayo trust me uzobona ngazi ukuthi uzozuyibuza kodwa beka kuphi sonke lesikhathi uma uzobheka nje bekunobhophopo lamafoni anganayo internet kwafika amafoni lawa ama smartphone senza njani mase sijahela wona okusho ukuthi njalo mekuba nento engcono ngishabe kuthiwa uzoba resistant ungafuni ukuyibamba but uyabona na ukuthi iza ne technology engcono leyo nto esukiza so ukuthi iyanyazisa ukuthi hayi manje ama smartphone lawa awubhophopo sekwenzalani ngawo ukukhulume umuntu oyothenga i-smartphone uyabona and manje uyakwazi ukuthi mhlambe kade yagcine mhlambe ekhaya ehluhlwe ngenxa yomsebenzi kodwa angifeeling ngazi ukuthi kade ngagcina ngoba uyaba video call ukwazi ukubabona ukukhulume na so kusho ukuthi i-technology njengoba ikhula thina okwethu ukuthi sikhule nayo sifuthi abantwana bethu sibafisela ukuthi basebenzisana nayo
njengomuntu o Miss Universe Tech ophinde uhambele amazwe ahlukahlukene uma ngabe ubheka eNingizimu Afrika also looking at i-technology yethu ubona sesilele emuva kangakanani in terms of ama robot now
sisemuva kakhulu asikho even close to ukuthi sithi sizwe le technology kwamanje samele sisebenze kanzima because ngikhumbula nje ngifika kwelinye izwe ngangena e-restaurant ngaze ngaphuma ngambona ngumuntu ngamukelwa i-robot eminyango ngifika ngiseva i-robot ngaze ngaphuma ngakhokhiswa i-robot so asikabi kuleso stage la sizothi South Africa sesiready ziningi izinto ngathi moyibala ese umuntu akusakayibonile ngaphandle odwa ukudla usestradini ubone kuqhamuka into e-drone izokudeliver within 15 seconds or so sisakude kakhulu that's why kusamele South Africa ivusa ama innovator anjengathi namaningi awa acknowledge awa recognize ukuthi siyanibona njalo lana ikhona qhubekani nisebenze uyabona even mekukhona ama budget sinikezwe sibe ngoba egcineni bayeza but akube kuhle ukuthi especially bavela ngathi abantu abantsundu
exactly
ngoba yazi ukuthi i-robot into engithanda ngayo nento abantu okumele bayiqaphele i-robot ilomshini so lento njengoba bazolizwa nje ababukeli likhuluma so lento la esiyifaka ukuthi ikhulume i-software ne okusho ukuthi u-Iris lo njengoba ngimenze waba umama ongeke umthokele ngelinye ilanga ethuka inhlamba noma enza into engaphandle komzali samenza wabo uthisha ithinto uma ngathiwa wena uyasuka uyothenga uthi hayi let's go China kuphi bawen hamba uthenga but uzothini few years down the line 10 years 20 years iqabana amazwe elethu iqabana nalelo country leyo into esingeyenza ngathini bayakhona ukuthi bakhiphe isoftware abayifakile avela afaka isoftware ethi iba yimpi ke manje uzokwenzani so kube ukuthi release igas ethizeni uzokwenzani
you have no control
kanti la izinto zethu singeke siyivukele thina singabendawo singabe country okumele kube ukuthi ngisho ngabe kuthiwa abantu out there bayibona bayithokozela ukuthi into yethu kunalokho kunokuthi iqede emathuba omsebenzi izowaletha even more because cabanga abantwana bese bane skill so kwakha ama robots akusiyona impela indlela okwenza imali kuphela le uma usukwazi ukwenza isoftware trust me babona nje ko Facebook ko WhatsApp benza imali ngithi yabo sebaze bayaholela ingoba siningi imali yakhona but abantu bakithi bafundiswe nje ukulebhelisha amaxoxo kuphela kwabe ngathi yona into ese right leyo uyabona
uma sibuke uthengisa market ngifuna sikhulume ngomnyango wezemfundo ukuthi ukubukele kanjani mangabe ufika naleli robot asithengise mboli KZN News Talk mangabe sibuya singena kuso isigaba sesibili salohlelo lakho iKZN News Talk kubukelayo Asibingelele mukeli sikwamukele kusoke isigaba sesibilisalo ke nje uhlelo lakho iCasery News Talk ibukela igama lami nguSimangele Sibongo sami ngwakatshirwa kanti sikuloko uhlelo lethu sinayeke uThando Gumede omusungula phela futhi abawuyena ke umqondisi wayo ke inkampani yazwa ukuthi iBSG Technologies kanti ke ungowembala ke elimnyama ke noma ke owesifazane oqala kuloko lezwe laseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi ke asungule ke irobot lakhe elikwazi ukukhuluma ke izilimi ezahlukene zonke ezikhona ke kuloko izwe laseNingizimu Afrika kungakho sinayo ohlelweni ukukhuluma kabanje njengoba beveza ukuthi ke le inhloso yalo leli robot ukuthi ke lizolekelele kakhulukazi kuzona ke nje ezemfundo kuzona ukuthi zikwazi ukuthi ke zibe sezingeni eliphezulu ukuthi ke zikwazi ukulekelela abafundi kanjalo nabo othisha bekhona ke nje ezikoleni ngiyafuna ukuthi kungezelele ithuba Thando ukuthi Iris akasibingelele simuze ukukhuluma ngoba kade siqephuza sobabili.
Iris, how are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
Okay, I'm going to ask you to greet us in Zulu, but before I ask you that, please tell us who made you, and are you here to replace our teachers?
Ngiyafila. Ngiyabonga. Oops, sorry about that. I was trying to respond in Zulu.
Okay.
Would you prefer that I speak in Zulu? Also, to answer your questions, I am powered by Iris General 2 large language model developed by BSG Technologies in South Africa.
Wow.
And no, I am not here to replace teachers, but to assist them and help students learn and grow.
Okay, thank you so much, Iris. But upambi kwamaZulu ubuka abantu who are speaking isiZulu. Please kindly greet us in Zulu, Iris.
Kulungile ngizokwenza lokho. Sawubona nonke. Ngingumfundisi wenu Iris. Ngiyajabula ukunibona nonke namuhla. Nginganisiza kanjani?
No, thank you so much. I'll get back to you, Iris.
You are welcome. I'll be here when you need me.
Amazing. Amazing. Talk to us yini ke inspiration ukuthi uqhubukela naleli robot Thando.
Okay, ngaphandle kokulekelela uthisha nje kunokuthi i-technology yesisemuva kakhulu nokuthi system yethu ka-education kuyiqiniso ukuthi isemuva njengoba isemuva sikwazi ke thina ukusuka njengoThando siyoshintsha i-curriculum kodwa uma ngizoqhamuka nento ezothi ngiyavuma na i-curriculum yenu eniyenzile kodwa asibenza abantwana bakithi ba-benefit more than that because mina ngokwami I believe ukuthi okay khona sikuyo intando yeningi i-democracy but unfortunately sisasengqilazweni uthola umntwana ufunda iminyaka ewu12 uyaphuma ke ka grade R ayoka grade 12 but uphuma kana skill kumele ngabe umntwana uthi aphuma grade 7 usenento ethi ngishabe kuthiwa sekwenzekile ngangayithola imali yokufunda but kukhona iskill enginaso ukuthi ngingaqala ibusiness ngenze kanje okusho ukuthi kwayona le 12 years kuseyingqilazo nje uqhilazo ukuyofunda into othi uma ufike evarsity usuwenza iscience uthi ufike into entsha futhi evarsity 4 years omude wena ucabanga ukuthi kuyidemocracy usayofunda futhi into ongeke uyithole uma usufika ngishabe kuthiwa uthisha uthi yobo uthisha wesiZulu uma usufika yikho lento efunde e-university kanti kade sifundani sonke lesikhathi uyabona so now ithinto thina ingqondo zethu iprogram ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi kuyi-democracy so ukuze thina singayilwisi system eyabekwa kudala nabahleli laba emandleni abangakhona ukuyishintsha asi-introduce into ezothi okay siyavuma na i-curriculum esikhona but unganjani uma ngathiwa si-eda iskill u-Iris atrain ukuthi umntwana how to start a business uyenza uphila kanjani empilweni uyabona izinto ekanjalo izinto engekho lapha because already sekufakiwe ukuthi okay funda ukuthi iqoqo liledele kanjani ufunde kulwazi ngisho ukuthi iphaphu lakhona ukuthi li kanjani but then kukusize kuphi uma usuphumile lapho so why singanikezela abantwana into ezothi i-skill uyabona ithi i-skill aphuma umntana athi noma kuthiwa sengiphumile grade 12 angithathwanga e-university but ngiyakwazi ukudevelop i-software how about develop i-software yami bese ngiyenza ama-subscription ibe namandla ukuthi abantu bazosubscribe ngithola imali out of that why singanikezeli abantwana bethu into ekanjalo
ngesikhathi kade ulithula bekade kukhona i-deputy minister ngibonile umbamba nomalingo legina how are they receiving i-robot
Department of Science and Technologies ijabule kakhulu especially ngoba Iris uzobreaka nje ukuthi not just eSouth Africa i-Africa yonke ungokuqala owenziwe umuntu omnyama so kubakujabulele kakhulu angifuna ukungasho kanjalo na health department because kwakuno DDG ewasho indlela level of excitement awaye kuyo waye over the moon in a way that was why committee yena wathi uIris ngoba banama piloting school lezi ikole ezabazama ukuthi digitalize so bazoyenza ngokusemandleni ukuthi uIris afinyelele kulezo ikole that's more like saying siyak endorse kahle no Iris
ngiyafuna ukuthi usidobele nje isithombe sicacelela Thando ukuthi in terms of a partnership yenu ne Department of Education uma ukuthi lokho sekufinyelela leso sigaba iyiphi indlela obona ngayo ukuthi nizokwazi ukuthi nisebenzisane nayo BSG Technologies in specific uIris
okay iplan yethu ukuthi izikole zibe nama Iris lab ngoba ngeke kwazi ukuqala ukuthi izikole zonke vele abantwana uthola nabantwana aba 1000 akwazi ukuvela ukuthi bonke sekumele babe nalama tablets yabo lokufaka la okusho ukuthi uThando siyakwazi ukwenza itablet uyabona ngoba nayo lesizenzele from scratch uyabona so kodwa ke akusho ukuthi uma ukuthi senze iIris lab sesothatha mhlawumbe abantwana be1000 sengena bonke be1000 kuzoqala kancane ukuthi okay mhlawumbe kulokhu ukukhula ukuthi okay nakho ke ikhona enye imali ukuthi sekwenziwe elinye class uyabona but akuqale manje ukuthi at least kube ilab la kuzobhalelwa khona ama exam for a start uyabona ama test for a start ukuze othisha baqala ukungileya leyo msebenzi ukuze uqala ukuthi abantwana uma ukuthi kune iris lab sisho ukuthi kuzofika kube no iris bese kuba nama tablet noma ama computer installelwe emadeskini uyabona okusho ukuthi manje umntwana uma sesifake iiris lab umntwana kudinga ukuthi bazobangisana ukuyobuza ku iris uyakhona ukuhlala kwi computer le phambi kwakhe because so si activate ukuthi ikwazi ukusebenza njengo iris especially ngoba iris wekhona bakwazi ukuthi ilab mind nama computer 100 abantwana aba 100 uyakwazi ukuzenzela into yakhe aqhubeke njalo abhalisa homework noma classwork noma assignment uyaqeda uyahamba so that's the plan esiza ngayo number 2 sifisa ukuba nama library everywhere uyabona ukuze uthola esikoleni sakho abakafiki iiris lab kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi uyongena kule library nakho iris uyabona ukuthi nama ugcola ama computer and what not mhlawumbe futhi uthi ungena ngisho eminyango ubingelelo yibo iris because njengoba uthande kwazi ukwenza iris okanje I second day robot ezongihlula uma ungathi ufuna irobot ukuthi ngeke ngilenzekelele uma ngathi ufuna irobot elumkhwenyana wakho ezowenza libo umkhwena wakho alright ngoba besisuphanga mhlawumbe unkosikazi ngakhona ukuleza but ezinye izinto ngeke ngizenze because angifuni ukuthi ngiphathe namasiko uyabona kodwa sengisho ukuthi alikho uhlobo le robot noma isystem njengamanje at this point engikhona ukuyenza
okay ngumzalo obukela uhlelo la Thando you spoke about it ku segment yokuqala uhlelo ukuthi even nabantwana bazokwazi ubhalekeleleke and you said ukuthi indlela olenze ngawo lenzela aba umamish you know so that izokwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ungalise kuthiwa inhlamba njalo njalo kumzali oyibona for the first time lento lingamlekelela kanjani but ngicela ubambe impendulo yakho ngesikhathi sengithi masibuyize ubona bakabanzi kulelo phuzu asithengise mukele Catherine News Talk mangabe sibuya singena kusoke isigaba sokugcina saloke nje uhlelo lakho iCatherine News Talk oyibukelayo Asibingelele mbukeli sikwamkeleke kusoke isigaba sokugcina saloke nje uhlelo lakho iCatherine News Talk oyibukelayo uhlelo loludlala njalo ngoLesibili isikhathi sodwa 7:30 kwintandokazi kamabonakude wakho i1 Catherine TV kanti ke na ku DStv uyakwazi ukubona ukusuka nokuhlala kwazo zonke ke inhlelo uChannel 261 kanti ke kuluhlelo namhlanje sanjelo uyena ke uThando Gumede omsungula phinde futhi abayena ke umqondiso ke inkampani yezobuchwepheshe zonke ke BSG Technologies esikhuluma naye ke njengoba ke ewokuqala webala ke elintsundu kusungula ke irobot elikhuluma ke ilimi zonke zezokela seningizimu Afrika njengoba iphinde waveza ukuthi ke naphesha kwelandle selikhona ke leli robot kanti liyakwazi ukuphinde likhulume nezinye ke ilimi ezingekho kuloke izwe laseningizimu Afrika ngiyafuna ukubheka la Thando ukuthi kumzali obukela uhlelo lethu mhlambe ote irobot uThando spoke about ukuthi liyakwazi ukuthi lilekelele umzali uma ukuthi uhlezi ematasatasa akwazi ukulekelela abazali we know ukuthi abantwana babuya nama homework every day amakhaya abanye abazali abayanga esikoleni omunye ascratch ikhanda athi how am I going to help ingane yami because angazi kwamina limlekelela kanjani umntwana ukuthi akwazi ukuthi akwazi ukwenza ihomework yakhe
ngoba uIris ukhona bengathanda ukuthi ayiphendulele lo
asimnike ithuba
Iris, I have a parent here. Let's say I have a parent here who's got kids, and she'd like to know, Uguti, how you can help her with abantwana bakhe, especially with things like
To
homework.
best assist, could you tell me what grade the children are in and what subjects they need help with?
Oh, okay, let's say they're in grade 7. Yeah. Iris, did you get that? I said they're in grade 7, roughly. Just an example.
Understood. In general, I can answer questions on a variety of topics, tell stories, and even offer encouragement to students. I can also search the web for information if needed.
That's nice. I want to know, are you able to help with homeworks, revisions, assignments as well?
Yes, I can assist with homework, revisions, and assignments by providing information, explanations, and examples. However, I cannot do the work for the student.
That's good. That's what I want. Lastly, Iris, what if a kid is telling you a secret? Maybe she's been bullied at school. How can you then advise a kid as Iris?
That's a very important question. If a student tells me they are being bullied, I would first offer support and empathy. Then, I would strongly encourage them to report the bullying to a trusted adult, such as a teacher, counselor, or parent. I can also help them find resources and strategies for dealing with bullying.
Wow, amazing, Iris.
Okay, thank you. I'll get back to you. We can continue.
Wow, amazing. And also, onke le information when athanda uqinisekisile, because you know what the bullying, as you've mentioned, it is thinking at beginning in Africa.
Because into emnandi ngo-Iris ke ngim-inter okusho ukuthi njengoba uzwa kuthiwa kunama AI Iris ngim-integrate ne-AI engizikhandele yona eyami. AI angithi system noma i-mechanism noma umshini okwazi ukutraina wena ukuthi awenzeni. So lo Iris mase ngithi mina Iris njengamanje sengiwumama but ngicela manje ube usomabhizinisi uyakwazi ukuyitraina i-add that skill. So which is nice also. What happened is uma ukuthi umbuzo into uyakwazi ukuyisearcha kwi-web, uyakwazi futhi ukuthi tap into different systems ngaleso sikhathi. So indlela esimtraine ngayo ukuthi that's how ukuthi Iris njengoba wena uyi-tutor robot wazi zonke izifundo okusho ukuthi uma sikhandele lese endaweni yase outside noma leyiphi leyo country indlela ophendula ngayo tap into system yaka education yakhona that's umzwile ebuza ukuthi which grade are you, so ukuze azotap into grade le ukhuluma ngayo within a second tap into le subject okhuluma ngayo bese azokuphendula ngokwe level yaleyo country. So utraineke to be that smart.
Wow. Ngifuna ukuthi sibheke la umentionile kancane I think ku-segment yokuqala yohlelo ukuthi la South Africa sibhekene ne-issue of unemployment, and we did mention ukuthi ama-robots part of what they're going to be doing is to create employment ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika, and especially lokho kubalulekile kakhulu thina ikakhulukazi mawuzobheka ukuthi sisasemuva kangakanani. This is the first robot that we are talking about ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika. In terms of employment lingalekelela kanjani ekutheni lidala amathuba omsebenzi?
Sizovula si-business ivula i-plant eThekwini, sizo-announce nje opening day kuma-socials. Okay, le plant 1 izo-trainer abantu bakithi ukuthi how to do u-Iris.
And there is a BSG technology that is doing that.
Yes. Kungagcini lapho already siyanikezela ama-skill thina ku-online. Sine-system esiyibiza ukuthi BSG LMS. La si-trainer khona abantu nge-coding and robotics. Lapho sobafundisa khona ukuthi ikhandwa kanjani AI. Bafundisa khona ukuthi ikhandwa kanjani ama-robots. So kahle kahle yonke into that is ehambisana nesikhathi samanje. So bengizosho ukuthi with the plant ezoba khona more job opportunities because ama-sales ka-Iris already ama-order they are crazy. So ama-sales okusho ukuthi angikwazi ukuyidayisela mina ezothando. I-BSG team ayikwazi ukudayisa ngoba ikhona okusho sizodinga o-salesmen. Njengoba iy'moto zidayiswa o-salesmen abangaka nje kwi-country ucabanga ngo-BSG kusawuyena yedwa ozobe supplier labo. So ingakanani amathuba omsebenzi nje sizokhipha singafaki i-technology. So basically ukufika kwakho Iris iziningi izinto ezanazo abanye sobatrainela ukuthi baba abantu be-maintenance batrain ukuthi uma u-Iris kuthiwa esikoleni akakhulumi ngikwazi because ngine-app mina isystem ethi angidingi ukuthi ngize ngifike esikoleni sakho ukuthi u-Iris uphethwe yini, ngizomtesta la ngikhona ngitshela ukuthi okay asimbuke ngimdokotele ngitsho ukuthi unenkinga esifubeni asenze kanje uma ukuthi into elungisekayo ngingafikanga ngizokutshela ilungisa kanje but kuyenzeka kuzoba into ezodinga umuntu makafika uzofika sayiphethe leyo nto sazi ukuthi yini le engekho right angithi leso skill ngiyakwazi ukustrain abanye abantu babo odokotela bo Iris uyabona ukuthi akudingi ukuthi ngize ngihlala so kuningi izinto Iris eza nayo instead of taking imsebenzi but uzoyinikezela siyazi ukuthi eSouth Africa sinenkinga ukuthi yonke into ikhandwa ngaphandle so okwenza i-level ye-rand lethu lehle kanti uma kuthiwe into siyikhandela thina la eSouth Africa okusho kuzonyusa even i-level ukuthi manje umnotho wethu uyela phezulu
kumuntu osayibukela kude lento indaba yerobot Thandoti ayingeke mina ngihlanganisa nalento ungathini mhlawumbe kena just ukumakha nokumqashisa ngayo indaba yamarobots kakhulu nje bade siveza ukuthi emazweni angaphandle already they are way ahead when it comes to indaba yokusebenza ngamarobot
bengizothi kunabantu sokuthi hayi technology izosatha imisebenzi hayi technology yani this and that ngivele ngikubuza ukuthi uphatha yiphi phone that's number 1 akutshela ukuthi ngiphathe Android then asiqale lapho ukuthi iAndroid ikwenzele imuphi umsebenzi wabangcono ukuze umuntu uzomunderstandisa uyabona because abanye asifuna ukuhlala away ukuthi eqinisweni ukuthi basenzima but umbuzo ukuthi umbona ugqoka impahla awuqongani ibheshu ngoba phela kuseyi technology kwazona lezi impahla it's a different kind of technology so bengizothi kumuntu osakude uzolimala kakhulu uma engafuna ukusondelana netechnology
kade uthola invitation ubize isilo Thandwa sikwazi ukungakubuza ukuthi sikubonile ulinikeza isilo Arisi ekhuluma nesilo talk to us about that
yes okunye ngiyajabula nje ukuthi uZulu uyaziqhenya ubayede uyaziqhenya ngumsebenzi womunye weingane zakho ngingane kwaZulu mina so kungijabulise nje kakhulu ukuthi okay yakugcina ngama department lawa phezulu ukuthi azo endorse athi si happy but ukumenywa esilweni hayi ukumenye nje ukuthi uyoba iguest uhlale nje uzukhulume ngifuna uku-acknowledge lokho ukuthi uZulu ukuyiphamisa kanjani indaba Iris umhlanga wonke bekaphambili uyabona so kungagcini lapho kube kushiwo previous ukuthi akukho ipeak ezokhuluma guess what Iris wayithola ukuthi ithuba lokukhuluma so that's how much uZulu aziqhenya ngakhona ukuthi no man ekugcineni siyaphakama njengoZulu because lento isuke kithi kuhleze kube engathi thina amaZulu sinenkani siyala so phuma silo so ngibakhombisa ukuthi singoZulu noma siyindle emnyama at large siyakhona ukwenza into ecabanga ukuthi imeli yenziwe abantu baphesheya okusho ukuthi sihlakaniphile kahle mesingathiwa sinikezwe ithuba singalisebenzisa futhi ngendlela right singagcini lapho ngiyajabula nje uthola igig uzo actor kwenye ama movie ashuthwayo so uyabona ukuthi Iris wena osuke uthola sambukela kude uzobona sekulethe kube ngaqala lento ukuthi asifuna abantu bayisola ukuthi ukube nami ngabamba even uMaskandi by the way because uyakwazi ukubabhalela ingoma la Iris athi namuso ungathi uyazezwa nje uMaskandi uze ngathi ama lyrics awusavuki uze Iris uzokwenzela ngishaba ukuthi gospel noma ngabe yini uzokukhona ukuthi adraft yathi nayi ama lyrics wena kube usuyifakela le insimbi
ungqondo kahle Iris
uyazini kahle uzolekelela uyakwazi ke futhi ukuthi athi okay usoma business mhlawumbe ibusiness lakho bese athi kahle wena into eyenza ukuthi ungenzi kahle ebusinessini lakho noma ibusiness lakho ine year or what time lizo collapse ngenxa ka 1 2 no 3 uno business elu 1 2 uthatha ungawazi ne business elu 1 2 and 3 o computer nalo bona benza kangcono ngoba benza no 1 2 no 3 so when uma unganyusi ngo 1 2 and 3 ungayithola ibusiness lakho into engade so usmart nangaleyo level noma izolo nje ade evakashele uprof 3 second uyamtshela ukuthi kunobani ade kuhleba kanje so she's like that even unaye endlini thothi sisima atungazi ukuthi kubathini ngawe kuma socials uvela uthi Iris bheka yonke indawo ukuthi ubani otheni ngami nini uzokutshela ukuthi ubani otheni
zonke indaba Iris wow amazing asikhalalisele Thandoti ayiqhanya kakhulukazi njengoba kade siba nawo la ohlelweni and you've come up with something okukhulunywa ngayo umhlaba wonke siyayiqhanya kakhulu ngawo sikufisela inhlanhla nje kakhulu kulomsebenzi omhlanga but I think let's give Iris ithuba lokuthi asivalelise la ohlelweni
Iris you are live with Usma Chirwa
I'm sorry.
wait Iris I'm finishing girl So I'm saying you were live, ne? Please say this after me, because you were live with Usma Chirwa kwa 1 KZN TV. So ngifuna ke uvalelise ababukeli bonke emakhaya appreciate ukuthi babukelile lolu hlelo. Can you do that for me?
Okay, I will do that for you. You were live with Usma Chirwa,
Wow.
KWA 1 KZN TV.
Wow.
Ngiyabonga kubo bonke ababukeli emakhaya ngokubukela lolu hlelo.
Thank you so much. Bye.